Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up your GitHub profile. Having a complete GitHub profile is essential whether you're showcasing your projects to potential employers or collaborating with other developers, so let's get your profile looking professional and informative. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After you've successfully logged in, look towards the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile avatar, click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Profile. This will take you to your main profile page where you can view how others see your GitHub presence. Now, in the left panel of your profile page, you'll notice your profile avatar icon displayed prominently. Click on this icon to begin customizing your profile settings. This is where you'll make the visual and informational changes that will help you stand out in the GitHub community. Next, navigate to your profile avatar section in the right panel. Here, you'll see an edit button. Click on it and then choose Upload a photo from the options presented. This will open a file browser window where you can select the profile picture you want to use. Browse through your files, select your chosen image, then click Open. Once the image is uploaded, you'll see a preview. Go ahead and click Set New Profile Picture to confirm your selection. Your new avatar will now represent you across GitHub. Now it's time to add some personal information to your profile. Navigate to the name field and type in your preferred name. This is the name that will be displayed publicly on your profile, so choose something professional or how you'd like to be known in the developer community. You can also add a bio by typing in the bio field. This is your chance to briefly describe yourself, your interests, or what you're working on. Keep it concise but informative, as this helps others understand your background and expertise at a glance. In the URL field, you can add a link to your personal website, portfolio, or any other online presence you'd like to share. This is particularly useful for directing visitors to see more of your work outside of GitHub. If you're currently working for a company or organization, you can add your company name in the company field. This helps build credibility and shows your professional affiliations. Additionally, you have the option to share your location. This can be helpful for networking with developers in your area or for potential employers who might be looking for local talent. Once you've filled in all the information you want to include, scroll down and click Update Profile. Your changes will be saved immediately, and your GitHub profile is now fully set up and ready to showcase your work to the world. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.